Today we have a brand new 2023 Urus Performante, full Mansory wide body kit, carbon accents everywhere, lowered carbon and Alcantara overload. What's up guys, Johnson Apply the Motorsport. Here today we have a brand new 2023 Urus Performante, full Mansory wide body kit, carbon accents everywhere from the hood, bumpers, fenders, mirror caps, rockers, also lowered on custom 24-inch forged wheels. We also did all of these little blue accents, blue, turquoise, teal, whatever you want to call it, accents throughout the car per the customer's request. It ties in with his interior trims and his brake that are also the same color. Mansory exhaust, Mansory everything on this car. It also has full rear diffuser, muffler tip, the teal or turquoise emblem, door seals on the interior, just carbon everywhere. It's carbon and Alcantara overload. So hope you guys enjoy this one. This is definitely a monster. 2023 Performante.